Dạ, em chào thầy, nhóm em là nhóm 11, gồm có 3 thành viên, Phạm Bình Trọng, Trần Long Hải, Nguyễn Huy Đức. Hôm nay chúng em xin trình bày về đề tài Boston Liquid Ensemble. Em là Nguyễn Huy Đức, em xin trình bày đầu tiên. Hi teacher, today our group will talk about how to make Boston in iOS. In this tutorial, to make an example of a simple application, we will go to three steps. Step 1, wrapping and dropping. Step 2 is mapping. And step 3 is coding. In the first, we will add a label by setting it in the search bar. Then write it into the visual screen. We can change the default property of this label. We double click on the label and rename it to default text. Now we need to connect to the interface. It means that we will connect the label we will connect the label with the view controller.script file to make an action. We click on this icon to write code. It's located on the right. Sau đây là phần trình bày của bạn Hải.
Em là Hải, em sẽ trình bày phần tiếp theo. We start at this step. We start to map. First, we click into the class, then click into the label and hold the control button and drag it into the code screen. A dialog box will appear. We choose the property, and in this case, we are making for the label. So the connection here, we choose outlet. We can change the name of this label into buckets. Then after finish, we click the connect. When we move our mouse into this icon, the label will be lighted up. So when we write code, this label will have the name buckets as we have set for it. This code is referenced from the label, and underneath is the function from the action of two buttons contain the sender methods. Phần tiếp theo sẽ là bạn Trọng trình bày.
Thầy em sẽ trình bày phần cuối cùng. So the test of the true button is bacon and tuna. We start to configure the title. We set the value for the bucket label, and it can be changed unless it can be seen as a variable that contains the stats of the true button. And in in the function that makes the action for the true button bacon and tuna, it's called the button rest, and sender can be seen as an object that contains the function of the true button. And in the action of the button, it means that when we click on the button, it will call the text that we have assigned to this label. And we will run the virtual device to see the result. And when you click on the two button, the bacon and the tuna button, it will show the text of the label. Thầy, phần trình bày của nhóm em đến đây là hết. Cảm ơn thầy đã lắng nghe.